Today I'm taking a look at the Acer 7-in-1 USB-C hub. That is a very nice color on that. So we can see on the back side we got a power delivery that is capable of 100 watts, so quite the capable thing. On the front we got USB-C, which is 3.1. We got two USB-A ports that are also 3.1. We got SD, micro SD. And on the end we got an HDMI, but this one actually has a button so we can turn that on and off as we need to. We don't have to worry about unplugging the thing. And this uses a USB-C plug, and that is about 8 inches long. So the nice thing about having a hub with power delivery is that this laptop only has two ports. We got one on the left, one on the right, but I can unplug this from the laptop, supply power to the hub, so that powers up. It's actually nice, it's got a little light on there, and then plug that directly into the laptop, and that will supply power to the laptop. So on the one plug I have to plug into the laptop, I'll have all these ports available, and I'll still have the other port over on the other side. So the first thing I want to check is the HDMI. Okay, so that came up right away. So now I have two displays for my laptop. I can open up files and folders. I can drag those from one monitor to the other, so I can do my work on one screen and I can watch some videos on the other. Once you go to two displays, it is hard to ever go back to a single display again. Now I want to check the USB port, and it picked that up right away. And I want to do a speed test on that USB port. Okay, for the best case scenario, sequential 1 megabyte 8 process 1 thread, we got 450 megabytes on the read, 455 on the write. For the sequential 1 megabyte 1 process 1 thread, we got 355, 387. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 163, 187. And for the worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 23 and 79. So this is about what I would expect out of a USB 3 port. Now I want to check and see what I get with the SD slot. Okay, so for the best case scenario, we're looking at 88 read, 53 write. I think that was probably a mistake because we got faster read on the sequential 1 megabyte 1 process 1 thread on the right. But around this area is what I would expect of a typical UHS 1 card slot. So the last thing is just check this button. So that is instant, and it doesn't look like it did anything to the laptop display, so I think all that does is it turns off the connection. So it still thinks that it's connected, but it just turns off the display. Yeah, because that is connecting instantly. That's actually kind of neat. So overall, that is a very nice hub.